Continuing on, we can see 2x equals 3/5. So 2x means 2 times x. So the opposite of times is division. So we are going to divide by 2 on both sides of the problem. 2 divided by 2 makes 1, and that's where we get 1x. However, over here, we need to take a fraction divided by 2. Remember, when you are dividing a fraction, it's easiest if you multiply by the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 2 is 1/2. So we're going to multiply that out. 3 times 1 is 3, and 5 times 2 is 10. So we get 3/10 as our fraction on the other side of the problem. Our variable is by itself, and it has a coefficient of 1, so that is our solution. X equals 3/10. And to check our work, we would say 2 times 3/10. Does that equal 3/5? Remember, when you're multiplying here, this is like having 2 over 1. So you multiply across the top. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 10 is 10. Does 6/10 equal 3/5? Why, yes. 6 and 10 both divide by 2. So you have 3/5 equals 3/5. And that problem also checks out. In this example, 4 and 1/2z equals 3/5, you can see we have 2 fractions to deal with, a mixed number on the left side and a simple fraction on the right side. What I'm going to recommend is that you turn any mixed number into an improper fraction. So 4 times 2, if you remember this, plus the 1 gives you the numerator. So 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So this gives you 9/2 z equals 3/5. And again, we have to eliminate this fraction. Well, the easiest way to get rid of a fraction is to multiply by the reciprocal on both sides of the problem, because 2 times 9 makes 18, and 2 times 9 makes 18, and 18 over 18 is just 1. So we get, if you want to show all your steps here, we would have 18 over 18z equals 6 over 45. Multiply your top and your bottoms, remember? And 18 over 18, we already said, makes 1z. 6 and 45, I believe, both divide by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 45 divided by 3 is 15. And so we get the solution that z equals 2/15. Check your answer by plugging it back in. So 9/2 times 2/15. Does that equal 3/5? 9 times 2 is 18. 2 times 15 is 30. Is that the same as 3/5? Those are both divisible by 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 30 divided by 6 is 5. And 3/5 does equal 3/5. Here we have our last problem, word problem, just to review how to dig out all our information. You have already read 117 pages of a book. You are 1/3 of the way through the book. Write and solve an equation to find the number of pages in the book. So, 117 is 1/3 of the book. This is our equation right here, written in words. As we can say, 117 equals 1/3 of, and math usually means times, and 1/3 of, let's use the letter B to stand for the book. So if 117 is 1/3 of the book, how big is the book? Again, to get rid of a fraction, you're going to multiply by the reciprocal, so times 3 over 1. And I don't know about you, 117 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. Carry the 2. 3, 4, 5. And 3 times 1 is 3. So 351 equals the book. So the book has 351 pages. When you are writing equations in your word problems, watch out for those fractions written into your problem, and look to see that you write and solve your equations.